In the quiet town of Taos, New Mexico, a mysterious hum has haunted residents' ears for decades, and no one knows where it comes from. Imagine a low-frequency droning sound that you can't escape, yet some people can't even hear it. Scientists have tried to unravel this acoustic enigma with sound mapping and environmental studies, yet they've come up empty-handed. Theories range from the mundane to the mind-boggling. Could it be secret military operations beneath the Earth's surface, or perhaps a natural geological phenomenon? Even conspiracy theorists suggest alien communications as the source. The phenomenon, known simply as the Taos hum, challenges our understanding of sound and perception, leaving everyone wondering if it's an auditory illusion or a real-world mystery. Despite countless studies and expert investigations, the hum remains an unsolved puzzle, making Taos a focal point for mystery lovers and skeptics alike. What's causing this auditory anomaly, and why does it remain so elusive?